Hello children, today we are going to begin with Unit 4 in English Literature, that is from Marigold book. The name of the poem is Rain, written by Robert Louis Stevenson. So children, this poem is about the rainy season. We all love this season and eagerly wait for rains because we enjoy this season very much. In the rainy season, we get the chance to sail the paper boats and also getting wet in the rain. We wear raincoats and gum boots to protect ourselves from the rain. We also carry umbrellas when it rains. So children, let's begin with the recitation of this poem and then we will move on with the explanation part. The rain is raining all around. It falls on field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. So, when the rain comes, it falls everywhere. Okay? The rain is raining all around. It means when the rain comes, it falls everywhere. It falls on field and tree. So, when the rain falls, it falls everywhere. That is on field and trees. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. We all know that during rains we all carry umbrellas so that we do not get wet. So when we protect ourselves during the rains, then we do not get wet. So where does the rain falls then? It falls on the umbrellas. So when the rain comes, it falls on field, trees and also the umbrellas that we all carry during the rains, and also on the ships that sail at sea. Okay, now let's see what are the new words that we have learnt in this poem. First word is field. We all know field. Field is a large piece of land. Like you all must have seen a large piece of land in your school. That is a field. Next is umbrellas. We all know what is umbrella. We carry umbrella to protect ourselves from the rain and sun. Next word is ships. Ships are large sized boats which are used for transportation, that is movement of people and goods from one place to another. I hope children you all have understood this poem very well. Now it's your turn to recite this poem and learn it by heart. Thank you.